Alright, going on to question 8. It says we have a supplement angle which is 24 less than twice the angle. So we got a supplement angle meaning 180, so I got a straight line, and then I have one angle, and then it says it's 24 less than twice the angle, so minus 24 of 2x because it's twice the time of that. So all we're simply doing is adding these two. We add these two equal to a straight line of 180. So x plus 2x was 3x minus 24 equals 180. After you go through and solve out what x is, plug x back in. X ended up being 68, and then after you plug the 68 back in here, ends up being 112. Notice C and D both have 68 and 112. Go through, read the question. It says find the angle and its supplement. Go back, if you read the question, it's asking about the angle first, so that's why the 68 goes first. Alright, question 9. Question 9 actually really doesn't give us quite enough information. I ended up finding out, you see down here I got a bunch of scribbles through here because I did some work and it ended up not working out, and after looking back at the question we ended up realizing where the picture should go. We got an angle QRS, and Q and R and T and R are supposed to be perpendicular. Notice I got it here, QR and TR, notice they're perpendicular. That makes a 90-degree angle there. That's the big key. QRS, S is actually supposed to be in the middle. If you looked at it before, I drew it kind of outside of it. If S is in the middle, can you see that again? Alright, if S is in the middle, go ahead and plug in the 8 and y plus 7 in the QRS. That's this angle here. Plug in the SRT. That's angle here. That's 6 y minus 22. Notice both of those should add up to equal 180, or actually equal a 90-degree angle, not 180. So if you add both of those together, my work didn't really justify it. After you add both of those together, come out with it, you're actually trying to find y here, and we end up finding y is that 4. Alright, moving on to question 10. Make a conjunction of new items. All it's saying is find the pattern. How do we find the pattern? 6 to 8 we added 2. 8 to negative 32 we subtracted 40. Negative 32 to negative 30 we added 2 again. And then all of a sudden we went from negative 30 to 120 and we added 150. Make a conjecture about it. It's just asking how's the pattern going, what do we need to do to continue the pattern. Ends up being 122. Okay, it's just asking if we continued the pattern. So we went 2, they did something, 2 more, they did something else. We're just going to add 2 more. 120 plus 2 is 122. Alright, this is just asking pretty much name the polygon. It has 10 sides. You can't really see it from our picture. It's kind of hard. If you go through and count 10, 10 is a decagon. Alright, next question, same thing. How many sides it has? I kind of darkened it up for you. It's got 5 sides, which is a pentagon. Hit pause. Alright, question 13. Find the length of each side of the polygon for the given perimeter. So they're going to give us the perimeter. They want to know each side. On this one, it's got a 6-sided figure. It's marked each time. Tells us the perimeter is 54. I said 54 divided by 6 because there's 6 number of sides. Ends up being 9 side for every one. If you don't believe me, go back. Write in 9 each time. 9, 9, 9, 9. And then add all of them up. You end up getting 54. Always a good habit to go back and check. On number 14, perimeter is 60. So that means if I added all these up, is the definition of perimeter, I equals 60. So when I added all of them up, I ended up getting 12 y plus 6 equals 60. Saw through, found out y. Now again, what question is it asking? It's not asking for y, it's asking for each side. Now each side in the first one was 9. Go back, plug in the 4.5 for each side, and you end up getting B.